Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So our next chapter is chapter 20, time. Okay, so this you have to study. 1 year equal to 365 days, 1 month equal to 30 days, 1 week equal to 7 days, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so you know about this. In 1 year there are 365 days. In 1 month there are 30 days. Okay, in 1 week there are 7 days. In 1 hour 60 minutes are there. Okay, 60 minutes will make 1 hour. Okay, now in 1 minute 60 seconds are there, or 60 seconds will make 1 minute. Okay, let us start exercise 20A. Convert in that A 15 hours into minutes. Okay, so hours you have to convert to minutes. So you know the relation 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So how can you convert 15 hours to minutes? 15 hours will be 15 into 60 minutes. Okay, 15 into 60 you will get 900 minutes. Okay, so in order to convert hours to minutes, multiply by 100. Okay, next B, 9 hours 56 minutes. You have to convert this into minutes. So this 9 hours, let us convert to minutes. Okay, so how can you convert hours to minute? Just multiply by 60. So 9 into 60 minutes plus this 56 minutes. Okay, now 60 into 90. You will get 540 minutes plus 56 minutes. Now you can add 540 plus 56. What you will get? It is 596 minutes. So this is the answer. In that D, 12 minutes 28 seconds to seconds. Okay, now here you have to convert this minutes to seconds. So in order to convert minutes to seconds, what to do? You know the relation 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so what will be 12 minutes? It will be 12 into 60 seconds. Okay, 12 minutes is 12 into 60 seconds. In order to convert minutes to seconds, just multiply by 60. Okay, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So in order to convert minutes to second, multiply by 60. So 12 minutes, it is 12 into 60 seconds plus this 28 seconds you have to add. Okay, now 12 into 60, it is 720 seconds plus 28 seconds. Now adding 720 plus 28, you will get 748 seconds. This is the answer. Okay, next F, 12 days 9 hour to hours. Okay, so you have to convert this days to hours. Okay, now you know the relation between day and hour. 1 day equal to 24 hours. Okay, so in order to convert days to hours, just multiply by 24. Okay, now this 12 days, how can we convert to hours? 12 days equal to 12 into 24 hours plus this 9 hours. Okay, 9 hours. Now 12 into 24, 288 hours. Okay, plus this 9 hours. Now 288 hours plus 9 hours, you can add 288 plus 9, it is 297 hours. This is the answer. In that G, 11 hours 45 minutes to minutes. Okay, so hours you have to convert this hours, you have to convert to minutes. So you know the relation, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so 11 hours, how can you convert to minutes? Just multiply by 60. Okay, in order to convert hour to minutes, just multiply by 60. So 11 hours, it is 11 into 60 minutes. Plus, here 45 minutes is there, so that you have to add. Now 11 into 60, it is 660 minutes plus 45 minutes. 660 plus 45. On adding, you will get 705. Okay, so 705 minutes. Second question, convert in that A, 5 years, 9 months into months. Okay, so this 5 years you have to convert to months. So 1 year equal to 12 months. This you know. So in order to convert years to months, just multiply by 12. So 5 years will be 5 into 12 months. Plus here 9 months it is given, so that you have to add. Okay, now 5 into 12, it is 60 months plus 9 months. So 60 plus 9, it is 69 months. See, 12 weeks, 15 days into days. So this weeks you have to convert to days. Now you know the relation, 1 week equal to 7 days. So in order to convert weeks to days, multiply by 7. Okay, so 12 weeks, it is 12 into 7 days plus this 15 days. Okay, now 12 into 7, you will get 84 days plus 15 days. Now 84 plus 15, you will get 99 days. So this is the answer. In that E, 12 weeks, 10 hours, you have to convert into hours. Okay, so week you have to convert to hours. So first let us convert week to days, then days to hours. Okay, that is better. So 12 weeks, how can you convert to days? You know 1 week equal to 7 days. So 12 weeks, it will be 12 into 7 days. Okay, plus this 10 hours. 12 into 7 days means 12 into 7, it is 84 days plus 10 hours. Now this 84 days, let us convert to hour. You know 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 84 days, it will be 84 into 24 hours plus this 10 hours. Okay, here first we are converting week to days, then days to hours. So 1 week equal to 7 days, 12 weeks it will be 12 into 7 days, that is 84 days. Now 1 day equal to 24 hours, so 84 days will be 84 into 24 hours plus this 10 hours. 84 into 24, you will get 2106. Okay, so 2106 hours plus this 10 hours. So what you will get, it is 2116 hours. Next F, 2 years, 10 months, 30 days into days. Okay, so 2 years, 10 months and 30 days. How many days? You have to convert this into days. So let us convert first this 2 years to months. So what you will get, this years to months. 1 year is 12 months. So 2 years will be 2 into 12 months it will be. Okay, 1 year equal to 12 months. So 2 years will be 2 into 12 months plus this 10 months plus this 30 days. Okay, now 2 into 12, it is 24 months plus 10 months plus 30 days. Okay, now 24 months plus 10 months we can add. So what you will get, it is 34 months plus 30 days. Okay, now this 34 months we can convert to days. So you know the relation, 1 month equal to 30 days. Okay, in 1 month we are considering 30 days. 1 month equal to 30 days. So 34 months will be 34 into 30 days. Okay, in order to convert months to days, just multiply by 30. In order to convert years to months, just multiply by 12. Okay, so 34 into 30 days plus the given 30 days. Okay, here 30 days it is there. 34 months we are converting to days. So what you will get, 34 into 30. Months in a days like convert and multiplication by 30 and change. Okay, so 34 months it is 34 into 30 days plus this 30 days. Okay, 34 into 30 on multiplying you will get 1020. So 1020 days plus 30 days. Now on adding this, what you will get, it is 1050 days. Okay. Third one, convert one day into seconds. So we know 1 day equal to 24 hours. In 1 day 24 hours are there. This hours we can convert to minutes. We know the relation. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So 24 hours will be 24 into 60 minutes. Okay, that is 24 into 60. What you will get? 1440 minutes it is. Okay, now we can convert this minutes to seconds. So you know 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. This relation you know. So 1440 minutes will be 1440 into 60 seconds. Okay, in order to convert hours to minutes, we are multiplying by 60. Okay, in order to convert minutes to seconds also, we are multiplying by 60. Because of these two relations, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So hour to minutes multiply by 60, minute to second also multiply by 60. Okay, so 1440 into 60, you will get 86,400. Okay, so in 1 day 86,400 seconds are there. Okay, or 1 day equal to 86,400 seconds. Next be 5 weeks into seconds. 5 weeks you have to convert to seconds. So you know 1 week equal to 7 days. So 5 weeks, how can you convert to days actually? It is equal to 5 into 7 days. Okay, weeks we are converting to days first. So 5 weeks equal to 5 into 7 days, that is 35 days. Okay, now this days let us convert to hours. We know the relation 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 35 days will be 35 into 24 hours. Okay, so weeks first we convert it into days. Days we are converting to hours. Okay, so 35 into 24 you will get 840. So 840 hours you got. Okay, now this hours we can convert to minutes. We know the relation 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So how can we convert 840 hours to minutes? Just multiply by 60. So 840 into 60 minutes. Okay, hours we are converting to minutes. So multiply by 60. So 840 hours, it is 840 into 60 minutes. 840 into 60, you will get 50,400 minutes. Okay, now this minutes we can convert to second. You know the relation 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 50,400 minutes. How can you convert to seconds? Just multiply by 60. Okay, so 50,400 into 60 seconds. Okay, now on multiplying this you will get 30,24,000 seconds. This is the answer. Okay, so here 5 weeks you have to convert to seconds. So 5 weeks, first we convert to days, days we convert to hours, hours we convert to minutes, and minutes we convert to seconds. Okay. Next, fourth question. Convert A 812 seconds to minutes and seconds. So here seconds you have to convert to minutes and seconds. That is very simple. We know the relation 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so in order to convert minute to second, just multiply by 60. But in order to convert second to minutes, you just divide by 60. Okay, minutes to second, multiplication by 60. Seconds to minutes, it is division 60. So 812 seconds, in order to convert to minutes and seconds or minutes, you just divide by 60. Okay, so 812 divided by 60. What you will get? 60 into here 1, 60. 1. You will get 212 as a remainder. Now 212 you can divide by 60. So what you will get? 60 into 3. It is 180. So you will get 32 as remainder. Okay, so here actually this is minutes. Okay, this many minutes will be there in 812 seconds, and this is seconds. Okay, so it is 13 minutes 32 seconds. So that you can write 13 minutes and 32 seconds. So in order to convert second to minute, we have to divide by 60. The quotient will be minutes and the remainder will be seconds. Okay. Next B, 924 minutes into hours and minutes. Okay, so you know the relation 1 hour equal to hour and minute relation we are taking here. Minutes you have to convert to hours and minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So in order to convert minutes to hours, what to do? Just divide by 60. Okay, so 924 minutes, in order to convert into hours, just divide by 60. Hourne minute like convert cheyanangi multiplication 60 minutes in hour like convert cheyanangi division by 60 aanu cheyandi. Okay, so 924 you just divide by 60. Here minutes you have to convert to hours, so divide by 60. You will get 60 into 1, 60. Now here 2, 324, 60 into 5, 300, remainder you will get 24. So this quotient, that much hours will be there, and this remainder, this much minutes will be there. Okay, so 924 minutes, it is 15 hours 24 minutes. So you can write here 15 hours 24 minutes. This is the answer. Okay, now in that C, 105 hours you have to convert into days and hours. Okay, so you can take the relation between hours and days. So 1 day equal to 24 hours. Okay, so in order to convert hours to day, what to do? Just divide by 24. In order to convert days to hours, days in hours like convert multiplication by 24. In order to convert hours to day, you just divide by 24. Okay, so 105 hours. In order to convert to days, just divide 105 by 24. So what you will get? 24 into 4, it is 96. Okay, so remainder you will get 9. So this quotient, these many days will be there. Okay, and this remainder, these many hours will be there. Okay, so 105 hours, it is 4 days and 9 hours. Okay. Now fifth question, convert in that A, 512 days into weeks and days. Okay, so days you have to convert to weeks. You know the relation between day and week. 1 week equal to 7 days. So in order to convert days to week, what to do? Just divide by 7. Okay, so 512 days, how can you convert to week? Just divide by 7. 512 divided by 7. What you will get? 7 into 7, 49. Here 22, 7 into 3, 21, remainder 1. So these many weeks will be there. Okay, and this remainder, these many days will be there. Okay, so 512 days, it is 73 weeks and 1 day. Okay, next is C, 52 months into years. So you know the relation between months and year. Okay, 1 year equal to 12 months. So in order to convert months to years, just divide by 12. Okay, so 52 months, in order to convert this to year, just divide 52 by 12. Okay, now 12 into 4, 48, remainder you will get 4. So these many quotient, these many years will be there and a remainder, these many months will be there. Okay, so 52 months, it is 4 years and 4 months. Okay, next E, 342 days. So you know the relation between month and days. 1 month equal to 30 days. So in order to convert days to months, just divide by 30. Okay, so 342 days, you can divide 342 by 30. What you will get? 30 into 1, 30, 42. Again 30 into 1, 30. You will get 12. So quotient, these many months will be there. Okay, remainder, these many days will be there. So 342 days, it is 11 months, 12 days. Okay. Next is sixth question, convert in that A, 16 hours 600 seconds into minutes. Okay, so 16 hours we have to convert to minutes and 600 seconds also we have to convert to minutes. Now, how can we convert hours to minutes? We know the relation 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so in order to convert hours to minute, multiply by 60. Okay, in order to convert hour to minutes, multiply by 60 and minutes to hour, divide by 60. So here 16 hours you have to convert to minutes. So just multiply by 60. 16 into 60 minutes. Plus, now the 600 seconds we have to convert to minutes. Okay, now we know the relation 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so how can we convert second to minutes? Second to minute, how can we convert? Just divide by 60. Okay, മിനിറ്റിന്ന് സെക്കൻഡിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാനാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ബൈ 60യും സെക്കൻഡ്സിന് മിനിറ്റിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാനാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഡിവിഷൻ 60 ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹിയർ 600 seconds we have to convert to minutes. So just divide 600 by 60. Okay, you will get the minutes. Okay, 600 by 60 minutes. 600 second, it is 600 by 60 minutes. Now 16 into 60, it is 16 into 6, you will get 96. So 960 minutes plus 600 by 60, what you will get? It is 10. Okay, 10 minutes. So 960 plus 10, on adding what you will get, it is 970 minutes. So this is the answer. Next, see 2 days 180 minutes into hours. Okay, so this days you have to convert to hours and minutes also you have to convert to hours. Now days to hour, we know the relation 1 day equal to 24 hours. So in order to convert days to hours, just multiply by 24. Okay, so 2 days, how can we convert to hours? It is 2 into 24 hours. 2 days is 2 into 24 hours plus 180 minutes. How can we convert to hours? We know the relation 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so in order to convert minutes to hour, just divide by 60. Okay, so 180 minutes, in order to convert that to hours, just divide 180 by 60. Here unit you can write hours. Okay, so what you will get? 2 into 24, it is 48 hours plus 180 by 60, what you will get? It is 3 hours. Okay, 48 plus 3, what you will get? It is 51 hours. This is the answer. Okay, so remaining problems of exercise 20A you can try to do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.